What's up, YouTube? This little twin 901 with a parts update. I already opened the box, so I won't be fumbling around. But let me show y'all what came in the mail for me today. Had me pacing the floor like a little kid on Christmas or tax season. Let me turn this camera around and show y'all what we doing. Ah, shucky ducky now. 700-pound coil springs. I can't put them on yet because I don't have no anti-seize. But we finna do a dry fitting and show you how to put it together. Here's the foot. I'm gonna put some Loctite in here, and this screws onto this shaft right here. Damn. Doo-doo-doo. There we go. Round and round we go. Round and round we go. Round and round we go. Doom, 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 doom. I'm gonna put some Loctite in there so it won't back out or get loose. But under tension it shouldn't get loose. So all the way up. No gap, no gap. There we go. Put my polyurethane bushing back in. Bam! Then we got this ring right here. Snap ring. That fits this groove that's in this collar. Like that. Checkmate. Since this is a Chevy, we have a cross shaft that goes in the foot. I got two snap rings that I got to keep up with. One for this one and one for this one. And here's the spring. There's the spring and here's the body. I'm going to turn it down some. It got 3.5 inches of travel, I think it said. Now you just put the spring on there. Make sure it's seated correctly. None of that warp, there you go. Seated, yeah, all the way around. Then I'm gonna put some Loctite in the head of it and put it in. Take this body back off. Might be easier. There we go. Checkmate. Put it together. Go drop it in the Chevy. I'm gonna put these two back in the bag so I won't lose them. Then I'll be beyond sick. Put these two back in the bag if I lose them and I'll be beyond sick. But yeah. Super quick update. Oh, that's just gray hair. I thought something was in my beard. Super quick update on parts coming in for the Chevy. The last thing I need besides the Hydro Boost lines for the front end of the 77 box Chevy. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if I'm doing anything right or something you'll change different. But I'm building the car for me, not y'all. This ain't Viking, this ain't QA1. I'm not knocking the folks that can afford it. I can afford it, but I'm not finna do it. I'm in my own lane, enjoying myself. But like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.